Welcome back for the online class. Let us continue with the today's class. Okay. Now it is a problem, the same problem as I discussed on previous class. Okay. Let us take with the vector value v 1 and 2. Okay. Now the same, the 4 path, 8 path and m path will be calculated from between p and q. Okay. Now let us move from okay from p to q. Okay. Now p and q. It is a 4 path. I'll check a 4 path. What is the vector v? 1 and 2. What are the adjacent pixel of 1? Okay, now I am in this one. What are the adjacent pixel? 1, 0. Because I am in 4. Okay. Now you which in which direction you can make? You can make a connection here. Okay. Now all the way, which are the adjacent pixel for this one? 2 and this 2. Which direction you can choose? Either this way or this one. Okay, let us let us make a point clear for you. Okay, if I choose this path, okay, you make the connection like this. Okay, there is a one additional path is comes into picture, this one. Okay, because 1 1 1 1 1 2 3. Okay, instead of that 1 2 you reached here. Okay, so what I can make here? Okay, this is a path. Okay, this is a path. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel? 2. So this is the path you can make here. Okay, now how I can move? Which are the adjacent pixel? 1 0, because 0 you can't move because it is not from the vector v. You can go here. Yes. Okay, now in which direction? This way. Now which direction? This way. So what is the length will be? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the length of 4 path? 6. 6 is the shortest length for the 4 adjacency. Okay, now if you can, if it possible, some people might be getting one more path like this. Okay, now 1. Okay, 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is what you get here. Okay, now if I make let us see that I make a connection here all the way. 2 3, okay, 4 5 and 6. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. All the way it is also same 6. Okay, if you make, okay, because so both the conditions will be true for a for path. But your travel to all only, there is a confusion. Okay, to overcome that we have 8 and m path. Okay, now let us move to the 8 adjacency. In 8 adjacency facility that you can go or diagonally also. Okay, now I'm in p. Now again I'll start from the p. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel? 1 2 and 0. Which way you can make a connection? Yes, because facility that you can make a diagonal connectivity. Which are the adjacent pixel? 2 and 1. You can't go to 1. Okay, anyway you can check it, but one more path, one extra path will come for you. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel? 2 and 1. So what are they? I'll make in this condition. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel? The 1 2 0. Which one you can make like this? Okay, in 8 path, can you go in all the direction? All the direction in this is horizontal, vertical, diagonal also? Yes, you can go. So how many, what is the length? What is the length available for this one? 1 2 3 and 4. What is it? 1 2 3 4. So what is the length? 4. The shortest length for 8 will be 4. I hope you can check any confusion. Means confusion in the sense, is there any alternate path is exist? There, of course there is exist. okay, like this, okay, like this. But what is that? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5, two paths will be exist. So to overcome that, we have m path. Okay, okay. Now how the m path will be chosen? Okay, now again I'll come to the same concept here. Okay, how? That is the 1, which are the neighbors? 2 1 2 0. 1 is okay. Now assume that I want to make a connectivity in this fashion. Connectivity, okay, which are the intersecting pixel when you're making a diagonal connection? This is the intersecting pixel, this is the intersecting, means the common pixel for 1 and 2. 1 and 2 as good as like this. The common pixels of 1 and 2 are 1 and 0. Are they from v? Yes, one of the value is from the v, so you can't make a connection. Then you can't make a connection here. In what direction you can make here? Okay, you can make a vertical connection. Okay, with a given arrow, with a green color arrow, you made a connection. Yes. Okay, now okay, again, how you can move, how in what direction you can make here? All the way. You can't make a connection here because this is a 2 is from the when you're making a choose a diagonal way, because if you choose a diagonal way, one path will be coming less. So first you check the diagonal, then you can check with the horizontal, vertical. Okay, now you can't go here because 2 is from the v, so you discard that. Okay, what you can make here? Okay, now earlier this was your direction. Okay, now this was the direction. You make a if it is diagonal is not possible, you make a horizontal, vertical connection. Okay, that facility is available. Okay, now you, in this way there is no there is no any confusion that the diagonal connectivity, because all the way there is 0 is not from the vector v. So what you can make, if there is no diagonal connectivity, then you make a okay vertical connectivity, vertical connection. Yes. Okay, now again you check in this fashion diagonally, which are the neighboring pixel for this one? 2 1 2 0. First you check the diagonal connectivity. When you're making a diagonal connectivity, 1 and 0, they are common pixel for what? 2 2. So which is there anywhere, is there one of the values from the v? Then if it is one of the values from the v, discard the diagonal connection. That means, sorry, okay, so what you can make here? Okay, so you make a connection in this fashion. Okay, now here is a one more connection. Okay, there is a one more connection. So what will be the total length? 1 2 3 4 5 and what? 6. So total, what will be the length? M path length will be 6. That is the shortest m path. Okay, distance will be considered as 6 for the given v equal to 1 and 2. I hope this the problem statement for the vector v is very much clear. I hope you can able to solve some more problems related to vector v or any kind of like a number of pixels. Okay, thank you.